Hey, what's going on, guys? So I just wanted to make a quick video for you today. One of my subscribers actually asked me to make a video on how I launched my product, right? Because I'm doing pretty well. I'm not like trying to brag here, but my product launched 2 weeks ago, almost to the exact day. We're one or two days past that now. And I've already made over $5,000. So I could say I successfully launched the product, right? Which is awesome. This is my first product I've ever launched. And my big thing is like, giveaway or PPC, right? Those are the main launch methods, and everyone's heard both sides, or maybe you haven't, so I'm going to break it down for you. So basically a giveaway, standard model for this is you order probably 300 to 500 units from your supplier, and then your goal is to figure out with Jungle Scout or Viral Launch how many the people on the first page or your competitors are selling per day, and then do one more than that for about a week to list your product on the first page, right? So a big part of Amazon's ranking is sales velocity. So whether you're selling your product at $25 or most of the time, the problem with the giveaway is, or not really the problem, just what you're gonna do is you're gonna make like a 90% off coupon, even as extreme as 99% off. So you're selling your product almost free. So that's why it's called a giveaway, right? A giveaway is giving away your product. So they're paying very, very little for it. You're not making any profit. You're actually losing money with a giveaway. But what it's going to do is it's going to rank you on the first page organically, because Amazon's going to see, okay, if the majority of the people are selling 10 per day, 15 per day on the first page, and you're giving away 12 to 16 per day, then Amazon's going to put you on the first page. And then once you're ranked on the first page, you're going to raise your price to what you initially figured you were going to sell it at. So if your competitors are doing $20 to $30, $25 on the first page, right? So figure your product costs $5 from your supplier, and you have to give away 10 every day to get to the first page. So that's $50 a day, and if you have to do that for a week, you're at $350 you just lost. Which in turn, if you get thousands of dollars worth of sales from the first page, it might be worth doing that, right? But here's the thing. Cash flow is a big problem for me. So I started Amazon FBA, and I'm guessing a lot of you are going to start Amazon FBA with around $1,000 to $2,000. And you don't really have too much to spare out of that. I started with $1,300 after my LLC was made, and I'm just talking about product cost here. I ordered 300 units. And it was kind of like a bundle that I did. So my price per unit was $4.72, all things included, shipping and redistribution fee from Amazon. And I didn't give away a single one. I've sold my product at full price since the day it went live until now. I've even raised it a little bit for a couple days to see what that would do. But for the most part, every single unit I've sold, I've made money on. I didn't give away anything. I'm gonna kind of give you a spoiler here. I didn't use a giveaway. So what I did was PPC. PPC, pay-per-click advertising on Amazon. I'm sure everyone watching this video knows what that is. But basically, the model for launching with PPC is, yeah, birds screaming out here, guys. Thought it would be kind of a little more interesting to do this than just sit at my desk. That one's kind of annoying though, huh? Yeah, so anyway, launching with PPC, basically you're gonna launch at full price. So you've already calculated what you're gonna sell this at once you get on the first page. You're gonna act from the very beginning like you're already on the first page. Wow, it's so loud. Jeez, hope that's not too loud in the video. Okay, what was I saying? So your goal is to get on the first page, and no matter where you launch, whether you're on page 10, page 5, wherever, when your product goes live, your product comes in and your listing goes active, as soon as that happens, you're gonna, okay, so a good point, actually, I keep getting off topic, I'm so sorry. Reviews, right? So you need, a good part about a giveaway is if you're giving away 20 a day, say, for 7 days, you're most likely gonna get a couple reviews from that, right? The odds are, out of hundreds of people, 5 of them will leave a review, right? So after the first week, you'll have your initial amount of reviews from the giveaway. What people used to do in a giveaway was, I'll give you the product for free in exchange for a review. So giveaways might have been very good thing to do at one time, because you could get 50 reviews your first week and then be competing with the bigger guys in your competition automatically, just because even though you might have lost 50 units worth of sales or 50 units worth of profit, you're going to gain it in the long run, because now you have 50 reviews, your product looks legit. Hopefully it is legit, and you're going to get a lot of sales in the future because you're ranked very well now. But now it's against Amazon's terms and conditions to give a product away in exchange for a review. So now I don't really see the point of a giveaway. I guess it's for ranking purposes, but if your product is good and you use PPC well, you should be able to give away just as many at full price. So basically, a giveaway, you're losing money. PPC, you're selling the same amount of units you would have been in a giveaway, and you're making full price per unit. So instead of giving away a unit for $1 and your listing price should be $24.99, in PPC, it's $24.99 per unit. So even if you break even with PPC, say you spend $300 in the first month, you'll get those sales back because it would have been a profitable campaign. I'll teach you all about how to make a profitable campaign, one that actually is going to make you money and not just spend to get sales and kind of pay itself off. You're actually going to be making money from PPC, and you're going to be ranked on the first page. My product's been out for 15 days now. 16 days. I keep getting that wrong. It's been live for 16 days. I'm on the first page for the main keyword, the most competitive keyword. I'm ranked 5th down on the listing organically, and I have the #1 spot because of PPC. So when people search my keyword, they see my listing first, and then they scroll down once and they see my listing again organically. So whether they buy it from my sponsored one, I pay $1 or so for them to buy it there, or if they click on my organic one, I'm getting a lot of sales. When I launched my product, here's what I did. So reviews, good point, right? You need a couple of reviews before you launch PPC. I see a lot of PPC ad campaigns, like for products that have no reviews. You don't want to do that, guys, okay? So the big thing about reviews is like, no one wants to be the first or the last person to do something. So Bitcoin, for example, we all wish we invested in it in 2010, right? But we didn't want to be the first one to do it. I knew what it was in 2010. I was like, who cares about that? But if 5 of my friends did it in 2010, they said, hey, you should do this. Let's all just put it on $100, see what happens, give it 5 years. We all would have had a lot of money right now. So you need kind of like, humans are weird creatures. So they want to see that a couple of people have done it, so they're not the first one to do it. So they're like, all right, 3 people have already bought this product and they've said it's a good product, so I'm gonna buy this product. So I would aim for 3 reviews before you launch your PPC. What I did was I had some of my friends do reviews for me. Some of them verified and unverified. A verified review means that they bought it and left a review. An unverified review means that you could go on any listing and just write a review for it, but it doesn't show up as verified. So what I would aim for is 2 verified reviews, 1 unverified. It is technically against Amazon's terms and conditions, so I'm not technically telling you to do this. You can't have a relative or someone related to you leave a review because it will come off as biased for the product. And Amazon takes the reviews very seriously. They want to have all their reviews be legit. But I don't think, honestly, 3 reviews is going to hurt you. It kind of just gives you the status of people have bought this before, so someone doesn't feel weird buying it for the first time. So get 3 reviews from relatives and then launch your PPC campaign. I would set a daily budget at first to $10 a day. See how your ad campaign is going. If you're losing money doing it, I wouldn't continue. If you're breaking even, fine. The point is you just want to get some sales, right? And then you could always, after a week or once you know it's profitable, increase your budget every day until the point where it starts not being profitable anymore. So I started with a $10 a day budget for 2 or 3 days. And my first day I got 10 sales. My second day I got 14. I think my third day I got like 15 sales. So right off the bat, I was already hitting my goal for sales. I think I made $150, $196 my first day. So my first day I had already made $200 in profit. So that's the amazing, powerful thing about PPC launch, is that you're making money the whole time. So if cash flow is an issue for you and you can't give away 100 units, you can't afford to give away 100 units and cost yourself hundreds of dollars, you could launch with PPC. And I think this is honestly the way of launching Amazon products from here on out. I don't see myself ever really doing a giveaway. I don't think it'll be necessary. If you're doing a super competitive product, which I wouldn't recommend doing in the first place, something that has several hundred reviews for most of the top listings, then you might want to give away some products and hope you get some reviews. Maybe you could use something like JumpSend. That's an email service that sends out emails to people that buy your product and ask them for a review. Anything you could do to get some more reviews and compete with the sales velocity maybe, but that's for a super competitive product. So if your product has under 100 reviews, under 50 reviews for most of the top listings, don't do a giveaway. It's not going to be worth it. Personally, I did pay-per-click advertising, and I've done very successful. We'll put a little thing right here of my sales. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm all pro PPC, negative giveaway. So if you do PPC, you're going to be selling at full price. Let's just recap really quick. You're going to be profiting, you're going to be getting sales velocity, and your product, the most powerful thing about PPC is you're going to be able to have your product, no matter where you're organically ranked, potentially at the #1 spot for a keyword. So if you're selling a garlic press, use this example all the time, your product is going to be #1 for garlic press if you have the correct bid. So anywhere from $1.50 to $2 usually will get you to the top of almost any keyword. Start there. If not, you could raise it up, but that's what I'd set your default bid to. And if you guys are interested, I'll make a video exactly how I made my PPC campaign, how I got my keywords that I wanted to use, how I figured out what my bid was going to be for keywords. Right now I've made almost $1,000 in PPC sales, and I've only spent about 200. So very successful PPC campaign, I would say. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you want to see me make a video about how to create a PPC campaign, now that I'm telling you this is what you should be doing to launch it. But I just wanted to answer this subscriber directly and make a video for him, because he wanted to know, he was kind of confused about how are you doing 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 sales in your first 2 weeks without doing a giveaway with PPC. And yes, buddy, reviews are important. So yeah, get about 2 to 3 reviews before you launch your PPC. And then first day, get on it, right? As soon as it goes active, keep refreshing your seller app until it goes active. And once it goes active, it's game time. You need to launch your PPC campaign, which I made beforehand. Make your PPC campaign, pause it, and then as soon as it goes active, enable your PPC campaign and get those initial reviews. You should be on your way to making a couple $1,000s a week if your product is good. But yeah, I'll make a video in the future if you guys want exactly how I made my PPC campaign, where I got my keywords, and if it continues to be profitable. We'll see. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.